Other things that you can do with your pendulum is you can create a graph where you would have lines coming up, and what you want to do is you're going to number them. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have, I'm going to just put 10 down on my paper. And what this does is it gives the pendulum a way to count for you. So if I wanted to say, when will I be moving in weeks back to Kelowna? All right, it's now moving at the 3. So the direction that it's going in is 3. So 3 weeks I should be moving back to Kelowna, which is actually about proper. Now, of course, I have to wait 3 weeks and see if that actually comes true. If I wanted to, I could create this as a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or I could do January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, all the way to December. And then when you ask, you just ask the pendulum the weeks, years, months, day of the week, whatever it is that you want to ask. So it's just a neat way of holding the pendulum right over the center and then waiting for the pendulum to move in whatever direction that it goes in.